To get started, click the Create Walls button on the toolbar. Move to the Home Plan area and click with the left mouse button. A single click is enough. You don't need to hold the mouse button down. Each click adds a new connected wall segment, while the dashed blue line helps you to snap to existing walls. To finish the shape, simply double-click at the start point, and the software will close the room outline automatically. If you want to stop drawing or create only a single wall segment, just double-click at the wall's endpoint or press the Escape key. Connect a new wall to an existing one. Simply click on the wall's start or end point, and the software will create a connected wall segment. As you can see, the software currently snaps to only standard angles. If you want to use custom angles, just press and hold down the Alt key, or disable the magnetism tool in the toolbar. A useful feature is the small dialog box that appears while drawing walls. It displays the current wall parameters, such as the length, angle, and thickness in real time. This helps you to accurately check and adjust the dimensions while drawing. But let's face it, drawing walls manually with exact dimensions can be inconvenient. If you need precise measurements, simply press Enter. Type the desired wall length, angle, and thickness, then press Enter again. After entering the dialog box, you can move between the fields using the arrow keys on your keyboard. This allows you to create walls with precise dimensions, even without using the mouse. For practice, try using some different dimensions. Now let's look at how to move and modify walls. Using the selection tool in the toolbar, you can select one or multiple walls. Selected segments can be moved freely or even deleted with the Delete key. You can also move individual wall points to adjust the wall shape. To move points freely without angle snapping, press and hold the Alt key. To select multiple walls, hold down the Shift key and click on each wall. You can also click and hold the left mouse button to draw a blue selection box around multiple walls. To deselect the wall, hold down the Shift key and click on the selected segment. To cancel the selection, just click anywhere on the plan with your left mouse button. Walls can be also split into two separate parts. Simply select the wall, right-click it, and choose Split Wall from the menu. This will divide the selected segment into two equal sections. You can also reverse the wall direction. Right-click the wall and select Reverse Wall Direction. If you want to connect two walls, select both of them, then right-click and choose Join Walls tool. The software will connect the three endpoints and calculate the correct intersection. Keep in mind that this tool only works with two selected walls. Now let's look at how to modify wall properties. Just double-click on a segment to open the Modify Wall window, where you can adjust a wide range of settings. For example, you can edit the coordinate of the start and the end points. You can also add different colors, textures, and baseboards to each side of your wall. Here, you can change the pattern of your wall in the 2D view and its top color in the 3D view. In the height section, you can define the wall height. By default, walls are rectangular in Sweet Home, meaning that this height remains the same from the start to end. If you enable a sloping wall option, you can assign different heights to the start and the end points. This allows you to create sloped walls, which are useful for attic rooms or custom architectural designs. In this section, you can adjust the wall thickness and the arc extent. The thickness value determines how thick the wall will be, while the arch extent settings is used for curved walls and control the angle of the curve. Higher values create larger arcs. To continue learning, check out this video here. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.